My parents wanted me to have my own career early, but there's no job that requires scratch. So they start to teach me C programming.
I know that you work at Gammal Tech. Can I ask you your salary?
Okay, but wait 1 sec. Can you please mute?
Now tell. That's really great thing, you know.
I'm even going to go fly to Cairo with my family soon and make a show in front of people.
So do you have public speaking fear or stage fear?
I never even went on stage before, but my dad went and he told me he was nervous at first.
Okay.
And I feel a little bit scared from the inside, but I also have self-confidence. I just feel in the inside, I say to myself, I'm confident, I'm gonna be good, nothing will happen wrong, and always smile.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshar. I am in marketing team of Gammal Tech. And today I have a very brilliant girl with me and she is just 9 years old. I am very happy to have you, Lara. I want to ask you, how old were you when you started learning programming?
So, let me explain this. When I was 4, my parents tried to teach me programming when I was 4. So then they tried again when I was 6. And it was boring.
Why boring?
I didn't really understand it, so it was hard. Then my parents tried again when I was 7, and I liked it.
Why do you think it was easier when you were 7?
It's hard to say one reason. There's many reasons, but it was easier because I learned how to read and write.
When I was in your age, I was not so serious about anything in my life. I used to watch cartoon all the day, running in the streets, throwing stones at the people and so much mess. Until I was graduated, still I was not sure what I want to do. But you are just 9 years old and you are so clear for your career, and that's a very amazing thing.
Thank you. Before I ask you something, what is this dot on your forehead?
I get this question from everyone in Egypt. Everyone looks like, who is this guy? What he is doing this? Okay, let me tell you. The U-shape icon, its name is Tilak. I do it with sandalwood. And the round shape icon, its name is Chandlo. The U-shape icon represents my God and the round shape icon represents me. It means I am in service of my God and my God is protecting me.
Very nice. But I think I want one too.
You want a tea? Yeah.
Can you draw it for me?
Sure. It's my pleasure.
Very nice.
Now
Thank you
look like a typical Indian woman. If you will visit India now, then you will look like an Indian. No one will recognize you that you are Egyptian.
I've already went to India.
You visited India before?
Yes, when I was very small.
Okay.
I think when I was like 3.
What cities did you visit?
Mumbai and Jaipur.
Mumbai and Jaipur.
Jaipur?
Yeah.
Jaipur or Jaipur?
Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Yeah, Jaipur. What other countries did you visit?
It's kind of a hard question because I don't remember all of them. But Russia, Lebanon, yeah.
Okay, have you visited Dubai?
Oh yes, I forgot. Yeah, I have.
Yeah, because Dubai is a very popular place among Gammal Tech people.
Yeah.
But now let's back to our original topic. Let's back to programming. Okay, so you are saying that you learned reading and writing at your school, and then programming was easy for you. Okay, so which was the first language that you learned?
C programming was my first programming language, then C++, and then problem solving.
Oh, I see, you learned C programming first. But you know, I heard that C programming is not so easy language. It is even tougher for the adults. So you started with C programming, because I heard that usually kids start from learning from scratch. What about this?
My parents wanted me to have my own career early, but there's no job that requires scratch. So they start to teach me C programming, but I didn't feel that it was hard.
So basically you are saying that if you know how to read and write in English, then doing Gammal Tech curriculum is not so hard. And the Gammal Tech graduates are best, so they will guide you in the best possible way. So they make the whole procedure smooth and easier for you. That's a very good point for Gammal Tech to market. Yeah, so you should try marketing. Would you join marketing team with me?
No, not really. I'm happy in software developing team.
Yeah, I was just saying you. One should do what he likes. Okay.
Yeah, everyone should do their own career that they like.
Yeah. Programming needs a lot of practice. I want to ask you, how do you practice programming?
I just turn on my computer, solve some problem-solving questions, and I answer them.
In which platform?
On Code Forces.
Now let me ask you something out of the track. I know that you work at Gammal Tech. Can I ask you your salary?
Okay, but wait 1 sec. Can you please mute?
Now tell. That's really great thing, you know. Cool. You are doing a really great job at this age. Do you watch YouTube?
Yes.
What are your favorite channels, like art and craft and something like that?
Yeah, how did you know? I actually put on a lot of art and craft
Yeah, because
videos.
it's something that all kids in your age like. So yeah, it's genuine.
Kind
common
of,
thing.
but mostly if I want to just watch, I watch Ellen's show, Investigators, and things that Mom usually watches.
So you're also seeing some smart stuff, you know? Yeah, that's good. Do you see cartoons? Like my favorite one is Doraemon. I like Doraemon so much.
I don't like cartoons at all. My sister's like Dora the Explorer. But I'm like, are you serious? You already know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Maybe she's not learning programming. That's why she loves Tom and Jerry. Once she will start learning programming, she will stop watching Tom and Jerry.
Or maybe when she's older.
Can you tell me which games do you play now after starting programming?
No, I don't really play that much games. I play smart games that make me learn and things like that on my phone. I also practice gymnastics at home.
Oh.
Bridges, splits, you know, right?
Yeah, it's a very good thing to do. It makes your body flexible and more agile.
I'm even going to go fly to Cairo with my family soon and make a show in front of people.
So do you have public speaking fear or stage fear?
I never even went on stage before, but my dad went and he told me he was nervous at first.
Okay.
And I feel a little bit scared from the inside, but I also have self-confidence.
Your self-confidence is just awesome. Can you tell me how you develop this confidence at this age?
I just feel in the inside. I say to myself, I'm confident, I'm gonna be good, nothing will happen wrong, and always smile.
But apart from that, I also noticed that every day you came at the office with a different colorful outfit. So you have a good sense over clothing. So who selects your outfit?
Oh, like this?
Yeah, Annie, you are always awesome in whatever you wear.
Yeah, so I just look inside the closet, check a new outfit,
okay,
put it on, clean it, and I wear it with some cute jeans or something, and I come out awesome. But I also do not like to wear the same thing. So I try not to choose the same thing and go with different combinations. But that's kind of hard.
Yeah, you have a good dressing sense. So you are on a very good track, on a very right track. You are just 9 years old and you did a lot of stuff. I don't know what results you will get when you will be 18 or in my age. Thanks, Lara, for inspiring me. To inspire others more than your age, your maturity matters, and you are a really mature, smart girl, and you are always inspiring me.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, I'm really blissful to have a conversation with you. Thanks, guys, for being part of this conversation. Your Indian friend is signing off, but we will meet definitely soon.